Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we're going to be playing in my festive Friday binder. I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently today. I have $50 to finish up these challenges as much as I can, hopefully, and then I have another $50 to put into my actual Christmas binder, which I just made last week. So let's get started. So the way I'm going to do this today is I'm going to roll and see how many bills each challenge gets here, and then we're just going to fill them in as we go. So starting with this one, so we're going to fill in one of these threes. 1, 2, 3. And that way we know exactly where we are and how much we have left to go as we go along. Okay, this one is a roll and save, so we're doing each of these little circles here. So that one's getting 1. These ones, each little circle is just $1, so we're filling in another one of those. All right, second round, 5. Okay, so we can do a 3 and a 2. So you may notice that my setup here is a little different today. Aria is in my room sleeping, so I moved out here. Oh, another 1. So that she can get to bed. And I have had a long, rough day, and so I am looking forward to taking a bath after this and then going to bed myself. I feel like I don't know if it's like the allergies around here this time of year, but my throat has been really hurting today. And it's really hard for me to talk right now. So I never used to have like allergies or anything or struggle with any of that. But then I moved down here, and I feel like in the past couple of years, I've really struggled. In the past like 2 years, I've had sinus surgery because I had just like my sinus cavities were like all blocked up, and I could not get rid of this like infection that I had. So that happened. And then since then, I just feel like this time of year, I just get like scratchy throat. Don't really do like the watery eyes, but yeah, scratchy throat, congestion. So that's how I'm feeling today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. We're going to put this 5 back and grab this 10. All right, that's $6 for that one. $1 for this one. So I'm trying to remember where I had this extra money from. Oh, I remember. So I'm starting to cash stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna put in 1 for that one, and that's done. So I'm starting to cash stuff $50 a week for Christmas in my red Christmas binder, which you will see in a minute. And so I had $50 planned for today to try to finish up these challenges. And then I also had fully funded my car insurance, and that was $50 a week. So instead of putting that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think that was 6. Instead of putting that in my car insurance folder, since it's fully funded, I just went ahead and added another $50 to this week so that we can make some progress. Okay, so we finished this one. Awesome. 1, 2, and we'll grab this 5. And then let's just put these 3 with this one. 1, 2, 3. So this one we finished. So in here for Christmas, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. So we'll put that in our Christmas savings in a second. And then this one today, we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in total, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 69. Great. All right, so that is going towards Thanksgiving. And this one has 10, 20, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. All right, so we have a little ways to go on this one still. I'm gonna just stick it back and we'll come back next week and hopefully finish this one out, and then we'll be just doing our Christmas binder. Okay, so I also don't have my train whistle today, so I apologize. We're not gonna be blowing the train whistle. But let me do my Thanksgiving tracker with that Thanksgiving challenge. Oh, this got wet somehow. What happened? I don't know what happened with that, y'all. That's annoying. Okay. I also pulled all of my Halloween savings because I ordered Aria and I some costumes. So she is gonna go as Rumi and I am gonna be Mira. So we have 2, 4, 55, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Each one of these pumpkins is 2. So we have way more than we needed. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So we should have over $100 here. And I think I'm just gonna leave it, the extra money in there, just because, you know, you never know. It doesn't hurt to have a little extra. And if we have stuff left over when we get back from our trip, then I will just move it over to Christmas. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 152. Okay, that's actually great. I think that'll be awesome for getting up to Tennessee with a couple tanks of gas and buying some food and whatever else we end up needing while we're up there. Okay, now, so that was this challenge. Now this challenge we finished as well, and this saved us 50, which is a nice easy number because each one of these wreaths is 25. So we can color in 2 more of these. Okay, yes, so we have the correct number of wreaths filled out. So that's awesome. Okay, let's get into our Christmas binder. So we're gonna start with this little one, these little Tinies. This one is by Taurus Cash Corner. And we're just doing this little roll and save. So the black one is going to be for a, oh no, wait, it's a race. I forgot. Never mind. All right, 6 and a 1. And we're just saving $1 per roll. $5 and a 2. Oh, why did I color in the second one of that one? That was so silly. Okay, so we're saving $5 with this one. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, next we have this mini. This one is by Toria's Budgets. Let's roll and see what we are saving today. 1, okay, each Christmas tree is $1, so we'll just cross one of those out. Let's roll again, because 2, okay, there we go. Okay, so with these challenges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, we have this little scratcher. This is by the Cafecito Budget, Michelle. My scratchers like to hide on me. This is a save 50, so let's see what we're getting today is 7, okay. Actually, do we have 3 in here? Yes, I'm gonna put 3 back and grab a 10. Perfect. Okay, and then this one by Budget with Amanda. This is where I need 2 die. Okay, the black is across and the white is down. Okay, so 4 across and 6 down is a candy cane. So that's $2. Let's go again. So 6 across and 3 down is a Christmas tree for $3. So let's put those 2 back and grab a 5. Let's go one more time. 6 across and 3. Oh, we just rolled that. Weird. 5 across and 5 down is another Christmas tree, so that's 3. All right. So we have 13 in this one with Amanda. All right, then we have this book by Norelli's Budgets. We're just working our way through it. Let's roll and see how many Christmas trees we're saving today. 5 again. That's how many we saved last time. Okay, so we already have $10 in this one. That's awesome. Oh, we have a $6 IOU here. Good thing I saw that. That's right, because this scratcher was so spicy. So let's scratch another one, I guess. Let's roll and see which one we're scratching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. No IOU this time, so that's great. And in here we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so those are going to save us a ton, which is great. Then we have this snow globe challenge. This is a new one by Liz and Les. Ah, so fun. All right, let's save the trees. So we're gonna do the bottom number to save 100. All right, we'll just put those there. I feel like I should have put them up higher, but that's okay. All right, so that's $5 for that. All right, we're gonna put these $3 in here. So we're gonna cross off 3 more Christmas trees. That way I don't have an IOU, and we make more progress on this challenge by Toria's budgets. Okay, so we didn't get to my fun new game from Kimmy's budgets, but that's okay. We will do that next time. But I feel like we had some great savings today, guys. We made some great progress on getting our Thanksgiving fully funded and getting Christmas that much closer. We have like $225 now in Christmas. So that's awesome. And we are gonna finish this challenge soon. So exciting that we are so close to being ready to fully focus on Christmas. All right, so that is it, guys. I don't have freebies for you guys today because it's the other week. But you can go and check my video from last Friday and see all the wonderful creators who create freebies for you guys in this community, and go check out their channels. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me know in the comments what y'all are up to this weekend, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow for my box challenge day. Bye.